The next type of reasoning that we use is what's called causal reasoning, not to be confused with casual reasoning. This is causal reasoning. And when we are reasoning from cause, we are trying to establish some kind of relationship between causes and effects. So we're saying that this leads to that, right? It's kind of that argument of where there's smoke, there must be fire, right? That's causal reasoning. It's saying that there must be some cause that has led to this effect. Another example would be with gas prices, right? Whenever gas prices go up, driving tends to go down because it's less affordable. So, for example, during the recession in 2008 and 9, the gas prices were absolutely through the roof, and nobody was driving around, right? It was actually shown in various different studies that people took less driving vacations because of the increase in gas prices, and more people started carpooling to work. A lot of people started taking public transportation. And so we know that when gas prices go up, that the amount of casual driving goes down. That's causal reasoning. One thing leads to another.